You're looking at a 2021 Tesla Model 3 long range dual motor, all-wheel drive, all electric with 48,000 miles that comes fully loaded. ABS, traction, stability control, premium wheels, full self-driving, fully paid for. Still under full factory warranty until 50,000 miles. Just got another 1,500 miles or so. Battery and drive units are under warranty for 8 years, 120,000 miles. Black on black, black exterior, black premium interior, full power options with lumbar support, glass roof. Inside we've got navigation, backup camera, blind spot cameras. 48,481 is the mileage. Full self-driving, fully paid for. Premium audio, CCS enabled, heat pump, heated steering wheel, wireless charging, double pane glass. Car is in excellent shape, absolutely no stories. Very good condition. Just came back from the detail shop. Power tailgate, or trunk, sorry. Rear vents, non-smoker, no dog hair. Gets over 330 miles at 100% charge. If you're interested, give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.